the Rum Swizzle. The sun's out and I've been stuck indoors decorating cynical towers all weekend, and I feel hard done by, especially after hearing everyone else enjoying themselves. And it feels like an eternity since we last made a rum drink on this channel. Also, we haven't made many swizzle cocktails, so step into my office. The ingredient lineup: rum, I've gone for Appleton Estate 8 years. You can get a Demerara rum, use this. Velvet Falernum, Demerara Syrup, Angostura Bitters, fresh lemon and fresh lime. Let's kick this off by filling the Collins glass around 2/3 full with crushed ice. Excuse my fingers here, but I'm making this for myself. And we want to add around 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of rum. Add half an ounce, that's 15 ml Demerara syrup. Follow this up with 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5 ml of Velvet Falernum. Then add half an ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Add half an ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lemon juice. And lastly, add a dash of Angostura Bitters, which I always miss. Then we want to top this off with a little more ice. Then grab a swizzle stick or a bar spoon, and the key to swizzling is you rotate the stick or spoon between your hands a bit like you're lighting a fire with 2 sticks, moving the mixture up and down around the glass. You know when it's done to get a good frosting on the glass. History wise, this drink was popular with British expats at a Georgetown club in Guyana in the 1800s. Then you want to top this off and pack it up to the top with lots of crushed ice. For the garnish, I'm going to go with a lime wheel and a mint bouquet, which I've picked fresh from my garden, and I still haven't managed to kill that plant yet, so it's a miracle. The taste test. I really like this one, obviously because it contains rum, which gives the drink a warm richness. The Falernum brings that sweet spice. The Demerara brings the caramel-like molasses taste. It adds a lot more complexity. Then there's the lemon and lime, which I think is an underrated citrus split when working together. It's a really solid drink and I'll be trying more of these.